I think if it's something that you're looking at and you're interested in doing, you should absolutely go for it. It's been more than we've expected in the best ways possible. It's really opened up a lot of doors, opportunities, and improvements on parts that we're already making in-house. My name is David Faxon, and I'm in the engineering department as a manufacturing engineer with a focus on continuous improvement. We have a lot of skilled operators here that are able to program in Mazatrol based off of the print. This reduces a lot of the time that a part would be programmed in engineering and gets it to the floor quicker. It could take days down to hours.
Having the Integrex to produce these vertically integrated internally has given us the ability to reduce a tremendous amount of cost that we would have to sub out to suppliers. This part's programmed at the machine in Mazatrol. That's actually something that we do on most of the products that we make at our Integrex. They're all programmed out of Mazatrol. Scheduling becomes easier. My name's Robert Faxon. I'm a business development associate at Faxon Firearms. The soft costs that you have to face with multiple operations with the old mentality of processing parts is not the way of the future.
The Mazatrol user interface is very well received, both here and I think in the region as well as other areas. We're diving into it heavily. I don't think it's going anywhere. I think it's growing and it's going to be a large part of our business. I think it's able to take a lot of components that we were previously producing, make them more efficient, more viable in the market, and our goal is to maintain and gain market share on these components.